Now we shall see the second equation of motion. Derive S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here we are going to calculate the distance travelled by the object, which is given by the letter S. S is represented by distance travelled, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration and t is time. You will draw the same graph for this equation also. Here you will calculate the distance travelled by the object based upon the area given with this graph. Here you will consider the area of this rectangle and area of the triangle. So the object will be starting from here. It is initializing, it is raising its acceleration, moves to B. So you are going to consider both the areas under the graph, that is area of triangle and area of the rectangle. Let the initial velocity be OA is equal to u meter per second. Final velocity be BC is equal to v meter per second. Time taken is OC is equal to t seconds. Distance travelled, that is area under the graph, you will be given it as S. Area under the graph means area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle AOCD? Plus area of the triangle. What is the name of the triangle ABD? So area of the triangle ABD. Now you all know what is the formula of area of rectangle, length into breadth. What is the length here? OC, and breadth is OA. OC into OA. And area of the triangle is half base into height. Half base. What is the base of the triangle? AD. And height is BD. So half base into height. So OC you know that T and OA is U. You will substitute these values. Half into AD, instead of AD you can write it as OC, no? So I have written it as OC. And instead of BD I wrote it as BC minus CD. You want only this part BD, that means the total BC minus CD. You will be getting BD. So the total BC minus CD. U into T you will write it as UT plus half. OC is again T and BC minus CD. What is BC? B is V and CD is U. V minus U. Till here you understood. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? V is equal to U plus AT. V minus U is AT. Instead of this V minus U, here instead of V minus U, you will substitute this AT. Instead of V minus U, I substituted AT. The same thing, UT I brought it here. Half T into V minus U. Instead of V minus U, I wrote it as AT. So you will get it as UT plus half A. T into T is T square. A into T square. So UT plus half AT square. So the second derivation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This derivation is used to calculate the distance travelled by the object when initial velocity is given, acceleration is given and time is also given. Okay, note down. Now we shall see the third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Remember children, there is no t here. V square final velocity, u initial velocity, a acceleration and s is displacement. Here you are going to take the area of the total trapezium. For example, this is a graph. If you take this part, from this part, if you draw it, this OABC, this entire thing is a trapezium. So I have drawn this trapezium like this. This OA has come like this and BC. This BC has come as a base and AB has come like a slope. Okay, now what happened? You all know the area of trapezium formula is half height into sum of the parallel sides. What is the height here? OC, and parallel sides are OA and BC. So half height into the parallel sides, sum of the parallel sides. Now let us see. Let the initial velocity be OA is equal to u meter per second. Final velocity BC is equal to v meter per second and time taken is OC is equal to t seconds. Now area under the graph, that is area of the trapezium, that is half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Half into height. What is the height here? OC into sum of the parallel sides. Now OA and BC are parallel to each other, yes or not? So OA plus BC, OA is one parallel side and BC is one parallel side. Now OC is nothing but time taken. Substitute OC as T. And OA, what is OA? U and BC is V. Substitute these values. So half T into U plus V. Now from equation 1, V is equal to U plus AT. V minus U is equal to AT and V minus U, if you bring this A down, V minus U by A is T. So instead of this t, we will substitute this v minus u by a. I have substituted v minus u by a. U plus v, I wrote it as v plus u. Now children, you remember a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So v minus u into v plus u is v square minus u square divided by 2 into a. Denominator you will be having 2a. And the distance travelled is s, no? So s you will write it here. V square minus u square is equal to 2a. If you do the cross multiplication, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is the final derivation, that is equation of motion. The third one, graphical.